You might think this birds are from another planet or a horror movie. First, the lyrebird, nature's greatest impressionist. It can mimic almost every sound. This bird's got more sound effects than a Hollywood studio. Next, the cassowary, Australia's living dinosaur. It doesn't just look scary, it makes deep, booming rumbles you can feel in your chest. Then there's the common loon. Ever heard a ghostly wail echo over a lake at night? Instant horror movie vibes. The Australian bustard looks fancy but sounds like a lion with a sore throat. A growling bird, only in Australia. Finally, the white bellbird, the world's loudest bird. At 125 decibels,